Dr. Choll Kim here from sunny San Diego, California. We are going to do the most advanced state-of-the-art minimal invasive fusion that I have in my tool bag called an endoscopically assisted percutaneous minimal invasive TLIF, or Endo TLIF for short. You can see why. That other title is just too long because this woman has a mobile spondylolisthesis of 4-5, herniated disc that is seen right here, and instability, and you can see how much facet fluid there is. She doesn't have a lot of stenosis because when she's reduced, she completely reduces when she lies down for the MRI compared to pre-op standing x-rays. There's very little stenosis, so we rely on indirect decompression. We'll do the endoscopic discectomy technique to remove the disc herniation, and then we'll use the 8mm by 7mm expandable intralip titanium spacer. It'll go in really small and go up like a car jack. We'll have to put in two, one on each side to really jack this all up. And oftentimes patients can go home the very same day, but we're starting this case in the afternoon, so we'll have her stay 1 midnight and have her go home tomorrow morning, and hopefully she can get back to her busy lifestyle ASAP. Getting started using computer navigation to cheat. Because you know, my mom always said, if you don't cheat every once in a while, you ain't trying hard enough. I am now.
He didn't know he was either.
I just listen to music like whatever's on the playlist. I mean on the radio. Gotta go double fisted because your bone is so good. God bless you for that. She's the perfect Endo TLIF candidate. Wow! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Fixation? Most excellent. Wrist pain? Nagging. They just love watching me suffer. They've never filmed me putting in all 4 screws, just one. Oh, but your bone is unbelievable. Wow, this is going to be great fixation, really great. Shot. This is the Wolverine, and this is the Crown Reamers. Shot. Anything? I love it when she talks like that. That's Brittany back there. She's so kind and reassuring. It's like, everything's perfect. That was a great drive. Stuff like that. Someday this will be powered. You really feel it. Did you say something, Britt?
And he goes into a...
Look away. That wasn't malleting. That was gentle tapping with the little finger. Pinky finger out. Now I'm gently entering your pedicle and vertebral body. That's why they call them pedicle screws. That tunnel of bone is called the pedicle. I'm entering it lovingly, I promise. Your facet fusion is huge. That's a good thing in terms of why we're doing the surgery. It's a bad thing in terms of that's why you need surgery. If that makes any sense. Okay, here's the side-firing home laser. I'm opening up the annulotomy window so that I can get into the disc space under a controlled situation. I'm also going to remove the disc herniation. I really do love this thing. Okay, let me see the regular pituitary now. pissed off. But whatever, away with you. You know what's cool about not using the blue dye? You can really see all the granulation tissue on the annulus. That ain't normal. That's supposed to be totally white and avascular.
So just one swipe.
Nice and smooth. Yep, there it is right there. So cool. Just gotta not get that little bleeder right there.
Yeah, so you know those instruments.
Because you know what my mom always said, spine surgery would be a lot easier without blood vessels and nerves. Yep, look at that right there. Very cool. So this is probably why your left leg hurts so much. There is a disc protrusion, probably was an annular tear, and the nerve was stuck down there because there's a broken piece of annulus right there and everything was stuck to it. So I'm really hoping that that's going to alleviate your left leg pain right away. And then by stabilizing your spondy, it will not come back and you won't develop severe back pain later on. So far so good. Alrighty, I took the kakapupu disc herniation out. Now I'm inside the disc doing the discectomy and end plate prep so I can put in the interbody implants and do the interbody reconstruction and jack you up. Okay, putting in the sexiest cage alive. It's a huge disc base, so it needs a huge cage. Can't wait for you to see this thing get bigger and bigger inside the interbody space. Okay, Nader. Yeah. All good with the signals? Yeah. Oh, that's going in smoothly. Come on in, Nader. Bed up a little bit. Can you take a picture on your way in?
Yeah, baby. You want an angle shot?
Angled this way just a hair. God, I'm so in love with this cage. Nice.
More?
Wax out the hair more. That's gonna look so good. Okay, can you raise the machine up 1 centimeter? And take a shot. Save that. Okay, that'll be the start. I can't stop. Nope. Thank God there's a torque wrench, huh?
Yeah, how does the bone feel?
It is so strong. Her bone is rock solid strong. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. What's wrong with you?
It's called greed.
You are greedy, man.
It's only greedy when it doesn't work. Save that all, that's pretty. Caps and 2 nuts.
Yes, right.
4 nuts total.
2 caps, 2 nuts. Surgery's all done. Kendra's putting on the dressing. Look how delicate she is. Look at those delicate fingers. She should be Asian. We did it through 2 little incisions, 1 inch long each. Put in the perfect cage. Never mind all those bloody towels, it's just a little bit. Anyway, we're all hoping for a great result and wishing you all the best for a speedy recovery.